Greetings, fellow Toastmasters. My name is Joseph Alberg, and I belong to 4 clubs in District 46. The Astronomy Toastmasters, Travel Masters Toastmasters, Traffic Toastmasters, and Knickerbocker Toastmasters. The main responsibility of a Toastmaster is to attend meetings regularly, sign up for meeting roles, and to be on time. Toastmaster meeting is divided into 3 parts. First, you have the Toastmaster, then you have the speeches, then you have the table topics, and then you have the evaluation. I'm going to show you how to sign up for meeting roles. So first, if you are one to be a Toastmaster, you sign up, click on here, and if you're not going to be here, you click on here. The Toastmaster is basically the person that is in charge of the meeting, make sure the meeting runs on time, to work out with the agenda, and to introduce every aspect of the meeting in terms of speakers and table topics, and also the evaluation team. Next, you're going to have the general evaluation team. The general evaluator is going to announce what they are doing in terms of seeing what they're going to look for, in terms of how the meeting is run, and also what improvement they see is fit. Next, you have the grammarian. That person is going to be in charge of any filler words, catch any filler words, to see if we have grammar, and to see if we have use the word of the day. The grammarian and counter is sometimes split up in 2, and depending on the club. Next, you have timer. They're going to keep in track of the speeches, table topics, and evaluation, and provide visual with green, yellow, and red. The speeches to make sure everything is in order. Next, you're going to have the speaker. If you're going to sign up for speaker, you click on here, sign up, then you put your title and your speech information. If you are not going to be here, you click off, and then you have 1, 2, or 3 who's going to do that. Next, you have the table topics master. They bring up a question that is impromptu, and the speaker has 1 to 2 minutes to respond. Impromptu, your own opinion, and they're going to be. This is a great way to work on your impromptu speaking skills and to work on your stage fright. Next, you have the evaluator, who's going to give feedback on that. The speeches, they'll give constructive speaking in terms of what they have improved on and what they could improve to be better. If you want to sign up, you click on there. And if you're going to not be able to be there, you click on here. Next, this goes on and on for 2 and 3 speaking roles. Next, you have the timer, who's going to give them feedback on how the timer was used, and if they went over or within time. Next, you have the grammarian counter, which is going to make sure to see if the word of the day is used, if there's any grammatical errors, and if there's any filler words. Next, you have the evaluator. The evaluator is basically going to give the feedback on how the mean went, any improvements to get better, and also just to make sure everything went smoothly. Next, you pass it to the Toastmaster. They will ask for the members, how they did, and everything. And next, you would have the Vice President of Education, who's going to jot down mean rules for next meeting and everything else. And next will be the President, who's going to make sure if there's any club business, they'll announce that and to conclude the meeting. If you have questions about the mean rules, you there's some explained. Like, for example, the aha counter, there is the script, the login sheet, and any clutch words and how to handle everything. And so on for every other role. And I am going back to the mean role and remember to subscribe to District 46 official YouTube channel and have a great opportunity with Toastmasters. Thank you.